the products.
Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Courtney and I love playing around with tips and tricks from the Curly Girl method to improve the health of my hair. Yes, I know, my hair's wavy. And that is what we're doing today. I'm gonna show you my first impressions on a full drugstore wash day lineup on my fine, low porosity, wavy hair. This is day 3 hair. We are big, we are frizzy, and we're even a little bit dry. My hair very rarely gets dry, but it is in need of some love, some TLC. So why don't we run into my bathroom and transform this into clean, washed, and beautiful hair. But before we do that, I would love it if you would subscribe and click that notification bell. We have a whole lot of fun over here on this channel trying out Curly Girl approved products and figuring out which product combos, application techniques, styling methods work best, and in general wavy curly hair science. So I would love it if you'd stick around for some more videos. Also, if you like this all drugstore wash day lineup idea, please give this video a thumbs up and share it. It lets me know that this video was actually helpful to you, which is why I'm here. I thought it would be a whole lot of fun today to use all products that you could run out today and pick up in store that are also under $10. Woohoo! All right, now let's go ahead and run into my bathroom. So I went to the store yesterday and had way too much fun. I haven't browsed the hair care section at the grocery store in a long time. Just me. So I did have a whole lot of fun picking out the wash day lineup. We have the Garnier Fructis Hydrating Treatment Shampoo, the Garnier Fructis Hydrating Treat Conditioner, and from a quick read over the ingredients labels, I didn't see anything that looked suspect, so fingers crossed I didn't make a rookie mistake and pick up non-Curly Girl approved products. Then we're going in with the Cantu Curl Activating Cream as the leave-in step. For my gel, I am going to be playing around with the new formula of the Aussie Instant Freeze Gel. They reformulated quite a while back, and I haven't ever played around with the new formula. So we're doing that today. And for a little bit of extra Vava volume, the Herbal Essence Totally Twisted Curl Boosting Mousse. This shampoo is nice and clear, which theoretically I'm gonna like. I tend to like my shampoos clear. It did foam up really nicely. And it has kind of a light sort of scent. It reminds me a whole lot of Garnier Fructis. Like, that is what I'm smelling. It's not really their classic fragrance, but goodness, I have no idea what this smells like. It kind of smells soft and sweet. It's not too strong. I'm really taking my time here and scrubbing my scalp because it's day 3 and my hair is very greasy. But I am really just focusing on my scalp. I am not scrubbing the lengths of my hair. Then to cleanse the lengths of my hair, I just kind of pull the suds through. The shampoo actually feels a little bit slippery. It's not making my hair super tangly. It's not, I can't detangle my hair at this point, but I like it. Now I'm going in with the conditioner. I'm gonna grab a decent amount And it looks like it's pretty thick, but it's smoothing out fairly easily. It's not super, super thick. It's a little thick, but not crazy thick. Going in and really finger detangling my hair, making sure that I'm distributing the conditioner evenly with my fingers. I don't ever detangle with the brush because then I can't tell which parts of my hair might need more conditioner, some more water, some more conditioner, some more love. But I do y'all see how this is kind of ratty and stringy? I do like to finish distributing the conditioner through my hair once I've got it finger detangled and all the conditioner distributed throughout my hair. And as you can see, this brush is just running through my hair. It's not catching. My hair is not tangled. So I'm not really using the brush to detangle with. I'm just using it to finish working the conditioner in. And this conditioner got nice and foamy. You can also see now just how much conditioner I have in my hair and how every strand of hair is now better coated with conditioner. Wow, my forehead vein is coming to play today. This is a great angle. My most flattering angle ever. Now I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of water to this conditioner and do a really good squish to condition. This really allows my hair to soak up the water and conditionery goodness. I found when I started really concentrating on this step, my hair became so much more hydrated. And I will just kind of stay here and squish this into my hair until I feel my hair start to really absorb the water and conditioner. Sometimes I'll move the hair off the back of my head and really make sure I'm squishing the back section and sides of my hair, just not the front and top. Not just the front and top. There we go. the fully scrunched out results. I gotta be honest, this may not be my favorite wash day, but that could 100% be my attitude today. Sometimes my attitude keeps me from liking my hair. Has that happened to anybody else? Comment down below what you think of this wash day. Let me turn around and show you the back. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Before we go, I want to know what your holy grail drugstore products are. What did y'all think? What are your favorite drugstore products? Seriously, let's help each other out in the comments. Alright, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye!